Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your username on Rumble itself. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're going to do first of all is simply going to go ahead, access your Rumble on your mobile phone, going to your browser and simply typing in rumble.com on top, and this is at the home interface that you will find once you have done signing up, right? So afterwards, what you're going to do is over there, so since you would like to change your username, you're going to go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner, go ahead, tap on this option called account overview. Once you have done so, you can see this kind of interface will pop up, right? Tap on this expand option. Here in this section you can see on top is my username, right? I would like to change it. If I tap on this option called account options given below, I can actually do some editings to rewrite all of the information that I've added, but I do not have the option of changing my username. So for that cases, you actually cannot change the username here in Rumble itself according to the official website's policy. Once you have created your account with a particular username, it gives you an option for you to choose whatever you want. So you'll have to make sure there that final username that you choose, that will be it for you. You cannot change it. So this is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.